Every year it happens like clockwork. The spell of heavy rain arrives, and within hours, Mumbai's roads turn into rivers. Local trains slow down, traffic comes to a standstill, flights get delayed, homes get flooded, and thousands of vehicles are left stranded in water. In this video, we'll answer two important and obvious questions. First, why does Mumbai flood every monsoon? And second, the insurance add-ons every vehicle owner should seriously consider before the next downpour. Let's dive in. First, why does Mumbai flood every year? People often blame only heavy rainfall, but rainfall is just one piece of the puzzle. Mumbai floods because several problems come together at the same time. Mumbai often receives over 100 millimeters of rain within just a few hours, which is one of the highest in the country. The city's drainage system simply cannot move water as quickly as it accumulates. But there's another unique challenge. Most of Mumbai's storm water drains empty into the Arabian Sea. During high tide, seawater blocks the outflow, preventing rainwater from draining efficiently. So, when heavy rain and high tide happen all together, flooding becomes even worse. Then comes the issue of urbanization. Over the years, many wetlands, mangroves, and open spaces that naturally absorbed rainwater have disappeared due to the development. Add to that the city's increasing concretization, when roads and buildings leave very little open ground for water to seep into. As a result, rainwater flows directly onto the roads instead of getting absorbed. Another major problem is the aging infrastructure. Much of Mumbai's drainage network was designed decades ago when rainfall patterns were very different from what they are right now. Despite upgrades after the devastating 2005 floods, many drains still struggle during extreme cloudbursts. Blocked drains filled with plastic waste and debris only makes matters worse. Now coming to your vehicle. Well, driving in the rain in itself is a nightmare. And if you have a vehicle that stops in the middle of the road, it can be a nightmare for you and even for your wallet. And if you don't have the right insurance policy, it's a big issue. Along with a health insurance that covers your health related issues caused due to rains, you need to have proper motor insurance to keep yourself secure from any vehicle damage. And what are these add-ons? Well, before that, you first need to ensure that you have a comprehensive motor insurance policy along with your third-party insurance policy, which is a mandate by law. A comprehensive policy generally covers flood, waterlogging, and other natural calamity related damage that happens to your vehicle, subject to the policy terms. But even a comprehensive policy may not be enough for you if you are a Mumbaiker. To live in a city like Mumbai, these add-ons are worth considering. The first is engine protection cover, because standard policies often don't cover engine damage caused by water entering the engine. Second is zero depreciation cover, which reduces the amount deduced from your claim due to wear and tear. And finally, roadside assistance, which can be invaluable if your vehicle breaks down in the middle of a flooded road and needs towing. But that's only the part of a deal. You also need to know how to make a successful claim. If your vehicle suffers flood damage, make sure that you follow these steps. Don't restart your engine. Take clear photos and videos. Inform your insurer immediately. Arrange towing instead of driving. Keep repair bills and documents very safely. Follow the insurer's inspection process before repairs begin. And remember, trying to restart a flooded engine can sometimes complicate or even affect claim eligibility under certain policy conditions.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.